Hello, my name is Mrs. Lewis and I am a visual art teacher here at VWHS High School, and I'm going to be talking to you about Ceramics and Sculpture 2. So Ceramics and Sculpture 2 is essentially the same class that it was before I changed my curriculum this year. And Ceramics and Sculpture 2 is a course in which you have to take fundamentals of 3D beforehand and have that prerequisite requirement. And Ceramics and Sculpture 2, we are mostly focusing on wheel throwing and building larger sculptures out of clay, plaster, or other materials. And same as my other courses, we will be focusing on completing rubrics for projects. After we finish a project, we will also, to get feedback on our work and to grade our work, we will also do critiques where we're analyzing artwork. We're also giving feedback to one another, and we will do sketchbook assignments before every project and sketchbook prompts throughout the semester, just to think in ways that are a little bit more creative in the world of ceramics, especially wheel throwing and pottery, and in larger scale sculpture. So again, the prerequisite for this course is fundamentals of 3D, and we'll be mostly focusing on throwing on the wheel and creating pottery and larger scale sculptures.